The apple that is afraid of being eaten. In a shady apple orchard, a red apple grows named Rona. She always hides behind the leaves. Rona, why are you hiding? Asked the green apple next to her. I am afraid of being eaten by humans, Rona replied with a worried face. The green apple smiled, but isn't that our goal? So that humans can enjoy the sweetness and health of apples. Rona shook her head. No, I don't want to disappear. I am afraid of being eaten. One day a strong wind shook the tree. Several apples fell to the ground. Rona became increasingly frightened. Then a little boy came along. He took a green apple and ate it with a happy smile. It's delicious. Thank you, apple, he said happily. Rona was surprised to see green apples were actually happy because they could make people happy and healthy. She began to reconsider. Finally, Rona is ready to be picked. She realizes that true happiness lies in giving back. Moral message: life is more meaningful if we can share kindness with others.